and this is my first day of college. Sadly, online classes muna kami for the first week. Actually guys, nagising ako ng 6 a.m. and then I had breakfast, tapos gumawa ako ng aking favorite na iced chai tea latte. So in a few minutes, I will be taking my first class, which is accounting. Ang schedule ko, actually chinek ko na siya kanina. So yung first class ko guys is 9:15 a.m. to 10:45, which is yung accounting, principles of marketing, which is 12:45 hanggang 2 p.m. So I only have 2 classes for today, which is nice kasi later I will be filming a brand deal. And according sa calendar, puro orientation lang yung gagawin namin for today. Normally, nagigising ako mga gantong oras pa, mga 9. But since 6 a.m. ako nagising, feeling ko super puffy pa ng face ko. Tapos, ang gara ng boses ko, guys. So ayun, mag-wait muna ako kasi I still have 4 minutes. And they told us to enter the Zoom link 5 minutes before the time. Okay, so, andito na ako sa Zoom link, but wala pa yung prof namin. So, hindi tayo late kasi wala pa yung prof. And 9:14 pa lang.
Hello, good morning everyone. Can I ask you, all of you, to turn on your webcam? It's okay, the requirement and assessment. These are the things that you have to work on.
May phone pala yun. Coffee!
This life really does go on forever.
So cute!
I like very
Every time.
Kaya check lang po ba?
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm done getting ready and I'm about to attend a meeting for work. Today I had classes from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. It's currently 5:50. 6 p.m. magsa-start yung meeting. Kumalagay! After neto, I'm so excited kasi I got a new laptop finally. I'm gonna replace this na.
Really wanted to have this call before you started para you're able to and we have some like pictures that parang ganun, they just make it really fun and
Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you po.
If I can play the guitar, we can go with such a
Wala ko yung pen.
Catholic school. I forgot my phone. Parang... Hi! Nakasurvive kami.
Like my friend.
Okay ba? Kita ba lahat?
December. Tapos pinanood ko yung, doon ko pinanood yung ano, sila Bestie.
Guys, hello! Hello! After class. Snapchat eh. Bumerang ba ito? Video to, video. Gawin natin. Paano ba yan? Dapat may dila pa. Ganon yan oh. Hindi ko alam eh. Ganon. Tapos dila ka sa gilid. Ganon. Baka mamay sabit na yung tulungan. Tama na. Guys, na-meet ko na yung kapatid ko. Ay, nag-vlog din ako. Sunnies. I think I'm going to buy new specs. Yeah.
Okay na po, ma'am. Glasses. Right eye na po yung may grade 50. Yung left eye po. Yes.
Ang dami na ulo.
Thank you.